my first time I've ever held a camera to my face.
Vlogging days. Yeah. We're introducing Dave to the world of vlogging.
Yeah,
You're born naturally.
it's pretty scary.
Wow. And mushrooms. I think this was my I think I had my maths classes in here. But now you could mow the lawn in the middle of the room. I remember this with bookshelves everywhere.
Oh, that's nice. I'm not going to read that out.
So I came up with a fantastic idea that's also a bad idea, which is most of my ideas. I said, Riley, wouldn't it be cool if you flew a drone through one of these windows, through the abandoned building and out another window? He said it would look awesome, so he sold me on it. Let's do it!
If I crash it, then I'll buy it off him.
I have video evidence of that.
Yep.
I'll hold you to that. Even though it's my idea.
Well, no, I won't do it any other way. What are they going for these days? I knew that was going to happen. No.
Yeah, I did that one.
Dude.
Yeah, I did that. Because I smashed it right into a tree. So if this takes off, you'll be right. Lift it up, make it fly.
Just to show you how amateur shot.
Yeah. Alright, see, it's fine, it's fine. Did you film it? It works, it's fine. There's no problems here.
It was upside down getting hammered for a while, dude. Ah, you could do that. It'd be pretty awesome.
Why are you going in the toilet?
Because I thought
that's where all goodbyes happen.
Toilet together. I feel like
all good best.
We need a goodbye. Let's go in the toilet.
I thought Dave might want to learn how to draw, so I'm going to give you your lucky duck. I'm going to give you a signed copy of my drawing book, Draw with Jazza, Creating Characters, your go-to guide for character design. You can create characters and draw pictures with the help of this book. That's my plug.
That plug went like
hashtag.
It went like that.
Awesome.
I've got some signed SLV stubby holders.
SLV.
Ah, very
Love
good.
it.
Yeah,
Got
very
some.
clever.
Who's that handsome chap?
Thanks so much, guys.
It's that one.
Hang on, and let's just hold that up to. Oh yeah.
Dead ringer.
Yeah, yeah, there it is.
That's brilliant. You guys are awesome. Thanks
Sign
for
over
coming
my
today.
face to make him.
So when's the drone arrive?
So we've already ordered that. So you just hang out here for a month or so.
It'll just fly along.
It'll fly in.
Yeah.
In some strange land.
Sure.
Awesome. Thanks so much.
Thank
guys.
you.
Are you going to say goodbye? That it? You said goodbye? That'll do.